Hello everyone, this is Geethanjali. In the last class, we did sex determination, and in this class, we'll be learning about mutation. So, mutation is nothing but a change in the structure or number of the genes in the chromosome. So, the change can either be in the DNA sequence or in the gene as a whole. So, mutations can be useful or dangerous, as useful in evolution, or harmful as in diseases like cancer, etc. So, mutation can be caused by these agents that we call mutagens. So, mutagens can be physical or chemical agents that cause mutation. So, examples for mutagens are UV radiations, radioactive substances, X-rays, tobacco, etc. These agents can penetrate our cells and the nucleus and cause the changes in the DNA sequence or the gene. So basically, there are two types of mutation. We have point mutations and we have chromosome mutations. So point mutations refer to those mutations that happen in the DNA sequence. So there will be bases, and a base will either be substituted. So when it's substituted, we call it a substitution point mutation. So a famous example for this is the sickle cell anemia. So in this case, there's a particular base is replaced by another base. Insertion. So in insertion, a new base pair is added. Okay. So in deletion, a base pair is deleted. So in these two cases, we call it a frame shift mutation because in this case, the entire DNA sequence is changed. So the amino acids that are produced are entirely different. But in case of substitution, only the place where the DNA sequence is changed, that is only that particular base pair which is substituted, only that makes a difference. So only one amino acid will change. Coming to chromosome mutations. So in chromosome mutations, we have the same categories, but in this case, we deal with genes as whole. So insertion means an entire gene is either added to a chromosome, and deletion, an entire gene is removed from a chromosome. And duplication is the same gene is there in the chromosome, and translocation means a particular gene is transferred from one chromosome to another chromosome. So these were the basic types of mutation and about mutation.